guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Upwork challenge app. So all you have to do, just go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to it's going to show for you a list like this. Then you click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do, just click here on notification settings. Then it's going to take you to next step here. Just waiting to open with you. Click here on email updates. When you click on email updates, it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do now, you just go down here. So you keep going down here. Then you come here to, so you keep going down here. You come here to masculines here. You come here to I have contacts expiring soon. Click in this sun or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean it's disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.